Good morning, class. Last time we did the question answers of human resources, exercise 5. We finished this much, right? All have done this? Have you all finished it in your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Today we come on to the sixth exercise. Answer the following questions in detail. Let us take a 6-1. Define the following demographic terms. First one is birth rate, second is death rate, third is migration. Please write the page numbers for all these three. Page 212 and all of them. All these three headings you'll find on page 212. Now open page 212. First we'll go on to the birth rate. Mark the answer. The number of live births per thousand people is referred to as birth rate. Next definition, death rate. The number of deaths per year per thousand people is called death rate. Switch off your mics, please. Number 3, migration. Migration, it is the movement of people in and out of an area. This is your answer 6-1. Marked. Coming to 6-2. Discuss the factors responsible for distribution of population in the world. Write page 208, 209. Come to the last slide. The population distribution. Can you see this? Mark from here. The population distribution has continuously changed in space and time with migration and varying rates of population growth. The way in which people are spread across the Earth's surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. Some areas are very crowded and some are sparsely populated. On the basis of density, the whole world can be divided into three regions in terms of distribution of population. These are the densely populated areas, the moderately populated areas, the sparsely populated areas. Till here, this is your answer 6-2. I hope you have marked. Coming to 6-3. What is the importance of population pyramid? Justify your answer with suitable example. Page 213. Can you see the heading population pyramid? After that, mark. An interesting way of studying the population composition of a country is by looking at the population pyramid, also called an age-sex pyramid. A population pyramid shows, number 1, the total population divided into various age groups, only till here. Second, the percentage of the total population subdivided into males and females. After that, number 3, mark it from here. Can you see this? The population pyramid also tells us how many dependents are there in a country. Number 4, the population pyramid of a country in which both births and death rates are high is broad at the base and rapidly narrows towards the top due to the birth of many children and a large percentage of them die in their infancy. Then the fifth point, the pyramid is broad in the younger age groups because more infants survive to adulthood due to decrease in death rates. These are the 5 points which you will write this answer in. Clear? This is your 6 3. Coming to 6 4 now. What are the future prospects for the distribution of population in the world? Right, page 213. Can you see future distribution of population? Under this whole paragraph is your answer. I will quickly read it. The distribution of the world's population during the next few decades is expected to remain similar to the present pattern. The main reasons may be that the international law and politics do not permit free migration from one country to another. Secondly, the sparsely populated areas have adverse climate and poor resource potential. Prospects for a large-scale expansion of population in the cold, arid, or hot and wet climates seems to be seem to be dim. This is your answer 6 4. Coming to 6 5. Discuss the population problems related with developing countries.